Hey guys, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the service light of your Skoda Laura or Octavia second generation. This method will work for all Lauras or Octavias apart from the top end LNK version. So let's get started. The first step is to turn the ignition to the rung position, leave for a second and switch it off again. Second, press the button near the multifunction display for 5 seconds and simultaneously turn the key to the run position. Third, release the button, press it once again and turn it to the right. That's it. Now the service indicator has been reset. This is such a simple process, but I don't know why there are so many videos on YouTube complicating the simple step. I hope you guys found this video interesting and informative. Please subscribe to JRS Cars for more such car content. Thank you.